Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to change tips for your earbuds SOUNDCORE R50i. And we have to start by remove the old ear tips. So let's get started with the left one. It's really simple. Here we go. Now select new ear tip size. I'm going with this one. And after that, attach it. Here we go. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.